Let's learn how to use big clock on iOS 26. First, you need to be on your lock screen and then go long press on any part of screen. When you do that, that will show you your collections of your wallpapers, and then look at in the bottom right corner of the screen and you can see a little plus icon on which you need to click. Next, iPhone shows to you recommended wallpapers and you need to scroll down to find basic iOS 26 wallpaper and go to select it. Now you're come on this screen where you can edit a whole screen, but in our case we need a clock. So go long press on clock and go to slide down, and on that way you can set a big clock. Also, you can edit that big clock by clicking on it, and iPhone's open to you a side menu where you can choose a different type of number. Also, you can select a different color of this number, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.